This display would look equally at home in a city apartment or a 2 up 2 down terrace. On this display we've combined 2 door styles. We've got our Altino high gloss acrylic faced MDF door, and we've got our Cento slate to add some depth and some texture to this kitchen. This is another display using 2 of our most affordable door styles, and again keeping that cost down with some laminate worktops. The use of bifold wall units on this display give you a nice wide open unit directly over the corner for ease of access. We've also used our mid-height base units here just to keep the height down and keep this kitchen feeling nice and open. Not commonly seen, tucked away in these mid-height units is a column fridge and a column freezer, so that you've got all of the appliances that you need in this kitchen. Smaller on space, but certainly not short on features, this kitchen is packed with drawers, pull-out mechanisms and an integrated bin solution. The concrete effect worktops, the slate effect doors and the monotone colour scheme of this kitchen overall give it an industrial edge.